Hello, how are you? And welcome to the English course. My name is Oliver. My name is Oliver. What about you? What is your name? What is your name? Nice to meet you. Let's take a look at some common greetings and farewells in English. Hello. Hello. Hi. Hi. Hi is most commonly used. How are you? How are you? I'm good, thank you. And you? How are you? Let's have a look at greetings throughout the day. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning is from 12 a.m. to 12 p.m. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. So good afternoon is from 12 p.m. to 6 p.m. Good evening. Good evening. Good evening is from 6 p.m. to 10 p.m. And good night. Good night. Good night is from 10 p.m. to 12 a.m. You can also use good day, which is good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. Any of those times. Okay. Goodbye. Goodbyes are used when somebody is leaving. So you can use goodbye, or just bye, bye. Farewell. Farewell. See you later. See you later. You can also include take care, be safe, and have a pleasant journey to the end of the farewells. So let's recap. Informal greetings are used among friends. These include hello. Hi, how are you? Hello. Hi, how are you? Formal greetings include good morning, good afternoon, depending on the time of day, and how are you? So, good morning, good afternoon, how are you? Goodbyes. Goodbye. Bye. Farewell. And see you later. Goodbye. Bye. Farewell. And see you later. Okay, let's have a look at the English alphabet. So the English alphabet is a Latin alphabet and includes 26 letters. 5 of these letters are vowels. A, E, I, O, U. It also includes 21 consonants. Each letter has an uppercase and a lowercase. The uppercase is usually used for names or at the beginning of a sentence. So let's have a look at them. So, first of all, we've got A. A. A is for apple. Then we've got B. B. B is for butterfly. And then we've got C. C. And C is for cat. Then we've got D. D. D is for dog. E. E. E is for elephant. F. F. F is for fork. Fork. Then we've got G. G. G is for guitar. H. H. H is for horse. I. I. I is for igloo. Igloo. Then we've got J. J for jar. K. K for kite. L. L for leaf. M. M for magnet. N. N for nest. O. O for orange and Oliver. P. P for penguin. Q. Q for queen. R. R for rake. S. S for socks. T. T for turtle. U. U umbrella. V. V for violin. W. W for watch. X. X for xylophone. Xylophone. Y. Y for yo-yo. Yo-yo. Z. Z for zebra. Zebra. Okay, so we can use the alphabet to spell words. When we spell out a word, we do it letter by letter. So let's spell out some names. My name is Oliver. Oliver? How do you spell Oliver? O. L. I. V. E. R. Oliver. O-L-I-V-E-R. Let's have a look at some other names. And you, what is your name? Mary? M. A. R. Y. Jennifer. J. E. N. I. F. E. R. Jennifer. Lisa. L. I. S. A. Sandra. Sandra. S. A. N. D. R. A. Michelle. M. I. C. H E L L E. James, James. J A M E S. David, D A V I D. David. Chris, C H R I S. Chris. George, George. G E O R G E. George. Ronald, Ronald. R O N A L D. Ronald.